ton of complaints after the Kardashian clan threw a late-night party and ended it with a loud fireworks show that woke tens of thousands up overnight. Tonight, many wonder if the display was even legal. KCAL 9's Serene Branson has that story.
And all of a sudden, you start hearing the boom, 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 boom.
Jim Lucas, his wife, and their 18-year-old dog Cubby were startled awake, like most of Marina Del Rey, by a fireworks show that lit up social media.
And I'm thinking, who has this kind of audacity to start shooting off fireworks at midnight, completely and totally unannounced?
He was one of dozens of angry residents who called the sheriff's department, some thinking it was gunshots. It turned out to be courtesy of Khloe Kardashian, throwing a birthday party for Beau and NBA star James Harden. This photo shows them at the boat party.
There's a certain arrogance that goes along with, well, this is who we are and we don't care what anybody else thinks. I don't care about the Kardashians. I care about Marina Del Rey.
Lucas and his neighbors are now questioning how it was legal. The Las Vegas-based company Pirates Pyrotechnics told us they signed a non-disclosure. The Coast Guard told us they received notification from the fireworks company, but was not given a date and time and are only required to make sure the boat is safe for fireworks. But tonight, the LA County Fire Department said they are, quote, working on a fireworks permit corrective action plan to ensure the processes for future outdoor fireworks displays consider time of day and appropriate community outreach. LA City Councilman Mike Bonin said he wants to make sure of it.
We want to see what we can do to register our extreme displeasure on behalf of a bunch of angry constituents, but also to see what they can do to change their process.
This isn't the first time a Kardashian has prompted policy change. In response to problems caused by Kim Kardashian's Montecito wedding, lawmakers moved to raise ordinance violations from $100 to as much as $5,000. We reached out to reps for the Kardashians for comment, but did not hear back. In Marina Del Rey, Serene Branson, KCAL 9 News.